Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best corn husks is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked ingredients when it comes to crafting authentic and delicious tamales, serving as the traditional and flavorful wrapper that imparts a subtle sweetness and earthy aroma to every bite, ensuring your culinary creations are not just meals but experiences steeped in tradition and taste. Number 5. Hojas de Maiz Natural Dried Tamale Wrappers. Experience the true taste of tradition with these authentic tamale leaves. They are designed to hold your tamales perfectly, enhancing both texture and flavor during cooking. Crafted from carefully selected, quality corn husks, these premium leaves offer an authentic, traditional cooking experience. Elevate your homemade tamales with their natural quality. These large sheets are incredibly versatile, perfect for wrapping tamales and preparing other traditional recipes. They are ideal for convenient bulk cooking needs. Our tamale wrappers soften easily after a simple soak in warm water. This makes them perfect for steaming your tamales without any tearing or falling apart. Sourced directly from Mexico and packed fresh, these wrappers deliver authentic flavor and dependable quality. They are the perfect choice for all your favorite tamale recipes. Enjoy the natural goodness of these wrappers, which are clean and easy to separate. They provide an authentic base for your traditional tamales. What we like? These are natural, authentic wrappers that are easy to separate and ready to soak. If you are looking for a traditional and hassle-free tamale making experience, these are a great choice. They are perfect for those who want to achieve an authentic flavor and texture in their homemade tamales. What people say. The husks are clean and easy to use. They are the perfect size for tamales. The quality of the husks is excellent, they don't tear easily. Number 4. Great River Milling Organic Medium Grind Cornmeal, 25 pounds. Discover the pure, natural sweetness of whole corn. Our medium grind cornmeal is perfect for all your home milling needs. Elevate your dishes with this versatile ingredient. It's ideal for crafting delicious cornmeal and creamy polenta. Enjoy the authentic taste of naturally sweet whole kernels. Each bite offers a delightful, hearty texture. Savor the satisfying, hearty texture that comes from premium whole corn. It brings a rich flavor to every meal. Choose an organic option for your kitchen. This cornmeal is milled from the finest whole corn for your well-being. Trust in the quality of Great River Milling. We bring you the best in organic cornmeal for your culinary creations. What we like? This is organic whole corn, medium ground, and naturally sweet. If you are a home cook who grinds your own corn for cornmeal or polenta and prefers a hearty texture with natural sweetness, this is the product for you. It's ideal for those who value organic ingredients and a rustic, wholesome flavor. What people say. The husks are clean and easy to use. They are the perfect size for tamales and hold together well. I was impressed with the quality of the husks, they were pliable and didn't tear easily. Number 3. BOLNER'S Fiesta Extra Fancy Tamale Seasoning Kit. Experience the true taste of tradition with this complete tamale kit. It includes everything you need to create delicious tamales at home. This bundle provides both the perfect masa seasoning and the savory meat seasoning. You'll also receive premium corn shucks for wrapping. With enough seasoning for up to 4 pounds of meat and masa, this kit is perfect for family gatherings or parties. Crafted with care, each component is designed to deliver authentic flavor. Enjoy the convenience of pre-portioned, high-quality ingredients. Bring the vibrant flavors of a fiesta to your table. This kit ensures your homemade tamales will be a crowd pleaser. Making tamales has never been simpler. Just follow the instructions and enjoy the rich, homemade taste you'll love. What we like? This is a complete kit that seasons both meat and masa, and it includes corn shucks. If you're a beginner or want a convenient all-in-one solution for making tamales, this bundle is perfect. It takes the guesswork out of seasoning and provides the essential wrappers, making your tamale preparation much simpler. What people say. These husks are a good size for tamales. They are clean and easy to use. The husks are pliable and do not tear easily. Number 2. Corn Husk 1 pound. Discover the natural choice for your needs. Our corn husks offer superior absorbency, making them perfect for a variety of uses. you'll receive a full pound of high-quality corn husks. This generous portion ensures you have plenty for all your projects. From culinary creations to crafting, these husks are incredibly versatile. Their natural properties make them ideal for many different applications. Our corn husks come ready for immediate use. Simply prepare them as needed and enjoy their natural benefits. We pride ourselves on delivering quality products. You can trust that these corn husks are carefully selected for your satisfaction. What we like. This is a 1-pound bag of corn husk wrappers in bulk quantity. If you frequently make tamales and need a reliable supply of traditional wrappers, this is a straightforward option. It's suitable for those who know they need a good amount of husks and prefer a simple, unadorned product. What people say. The corn husks are a good size for tamales. They are easy to use and hold together well when making tamales. The husks are clean and free of debris, making them ready to use right out of the package. Number 1. Walsh Paper Corn Husk Substitute Tamale Containers. Elevate your tamale presentation with our innovative corn husk substitute. Designed to mimic the traditional look and feel, it offers a unique and sustainable choice for your culinary creations. These containers are perfectly sized at 9 by 9 by 3.5 inches, ideal for holding your delicious tamales. They provide ample space to ensure your food is presented beautifully. Enjoy the convenience of pre-portioned packaging with 100 containers per case. Made from a corn husk substitute, they offer an eco-conscious alternative to traditional materials. Crafted for durability, these containers ensure your tamales remain intact and appealing from preparation to serving. Trust in their sturdy construction for any occasion. Ideal for restaurants, caterers, and home cooks alike, these tamale containers add a touch of authenticity and professionalism to your dishes. Make every meal a memorable experience. What we like. This is a corn husk substitute with textured sheets in a 9 by 9 size. If you're looking for an alternative to traditional corn husks, perhaps for consistency or ease of use, this product might be for you. It's ideal for those who want a uniform wrapper that still provides a good texture for their tamales, especially in a commercial or high-volume setting. What people say. These husks are a good size for tamales. They are easy to work with and don't tear easily. The husks are clean and ready to use right out of the package. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.